Hey there, folks. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of the Brooklyn Navy Yard, a place that truly stands out in the bustling city of New York. The Brooklyn Navy Yard is a historic industrial park that spans over 300 acres. It's a hub of innovation, with over 400 businesses and 7,000 employees working there. From manufacturing to technology, this place has it all. One of the most interesting aspects of the Brooklyn Navy Yard is its commitment to sustainability. They've implemented numerous green initiatives, such as solar panels, wind turbines, and a wastewater treatment plant. They've even been recognized as a LEED Gold certified facility. Another fascinating fact about the Brooklyn Navy Yard is its rich history. It's the birthplace of the USS Enterprise, the first nuclear-powered aircraft carrier. It's also where the first American-made fighter plane, the Grumman F4F Wildcat, was built. So, there you have it. The Brooklyn Navy Yard is a truly unique and fascinating place, full of history, innovation, and sustainability. Thanks for joining me on this journey, and don't forget to follow facts and stories. Cheers!